Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the EXO. Now today we are very excited to unbox a couple of products to show you. So Varmilo sent us a couple of mechanical keyboards that they want to feature, which is some of their newly released keyboards in Malaysia. And we actually have 3 of them to unbox for you today. After that, we're gonna go a little more detailed into what each keyboard offers, especially with their own EC switch. Let's go! Okay, so there are actually 3 of this type of box. These boxes, because the company is very design based, so they try to protect even the packaging's box itself. You have a set of postcards. It's in Korean though, but still looks very nice. Special keycaps. These are additional ones that you can swap out from the ones that are already on the board. It also has this foam on the side that protects the box. So here we have the Varmilo VA87M. This is the Varmilo C Melody TKL, which features Varmilo's own EC Daisy switch. Try not to wreck the box. So you have the micro USB-A cable that comes in the same color theme, which is this baby blue. Then you also have a keycap puller, which has a transparent resin textured kind of handle. So from the cable, you already know that it is a detachable keyboard. So first thing I noticed is, oh, can you hear that? There's no rattling at all on these, but never mind, we'll get into the sound test later. First, let's take a look at the keyboard. This is obviously a TKL board. It's only 80%, where there's no numpad here, so you still get the dedicated media hotkeys via the FN button here. The board itself has a matte finish to it, which feels quite nice. It's pretty heavy. The USB port is below here. It also has cable routing either to the left, center, or the right. There's also these stands. That's just one angle adjustment. So that is the C Melody. See all the fishes, jellyfish, the whale. Wow, this is really intricately designed, if I must say so myself. But let's go straight to the other keyboard that we have, which is the Varmilo Sakura TKL. Actually, I don't even know if this is the Varmilo Sakura because there's no indication on the outside of the box. Okay, so I was wrong. This is the one that I was excited for, which is the Varmilo Beijing Opera TKL. You also get additional keycaps. So a quick look around the box. Sides, the back, it's pretty simple, but the front is where the visuals are. Let's quickly unwrap this without breaking the packaging. It has all my favorite colors, which is black, red, and white. So it comes with a switch keycap keychain. Keycap puller is same. It's not transparent, but it's just black. Micro USB-A cable. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. Are you seeing this? This is amazing. Like the case itself also has etches. Also have some graphics printed on it. Oh shit. Wow. So all the functions have been translated to Chinese. So this is the tab, this caps lock and shift and so on. There is no rattling at all. This is a factory built keyboard that just comes rattle free. If you compare with like this one, this is the Varmilo VA87M that I have. Compared to So let's take a look at the back. You still have the same single setting adjustments and the cable routing with the micro USB port here. But look at this gold design, these golden clouds on the back. This one just has that extra touch. And that's what really impresses me with the Varmilo Beijing Opera. So let's move on. So finally, this is the last of the keyboard that we have unboxed today. You have the additional keycaps on the top, which is this too, a spacebar, caps lock, scroll lock, and escape key. In the same baby pink, pastel pink. pastel pink, a pink color keycap puller. This is honestly too pink for me, for my liking, but I'm sure there are others out there who likes it. On the back, similar to the Varmilo C Melody, there's no other design, it's just baby pink all the way. Single angle setting with the micro USB A port here and cable routings on the left, right and center. So that is the Varmilo Sakura TKL, the Varmilo C Melody TKL, and last but not least, the Varmilo Beijing Opera TKL. These keyboards are literally amazing, like they are all rattle free. Now before we go into the sound test, I just want to talk a bit about the switches that Varmilo used for its keyboards here. Now for the Varmilo Sakura, it uses this is a yellow color switch, so this is the Varmilo EC Daisy switch. So EC stands for electrocapacitive. In theory, it's similar to Topper, which is a rather high-end switch, or people are calling the endgame switch. So this is the pink switch on the Varmilo C Melody TKL. And on the Beijing Opera, we have the Cherry MX Red. So for the Sakura switch, it is a 45 grams operating force. It is also a linear switch, and the operating force is similar to the Cherry MX Red, which optimizes on lubrication and friction. So this here is the Varmilo EC Switch V2 Daisy that has a 35 grams operating force. It is also a linear switch, has an operating force that is lighter than all of Cherry MX switches, even lighter than the Reds, and it is very smooth and stable. The keycaps have very minimal wobble. There's literally no rattle at all. I cannot hear any spring ping. They are just all very well built. According to Varmilo, they are V-Silk PBT keycaps, so they are not double shot, but they are dice up. This keycap has a thickness of 1.3 millimeters. Yeah, they feel soft, smooth. It also has a tad bit of grip to them so that you don't mistype or anything. I actually like the sound of the Reds more because it's more quiet. It has that thok sound. We've talked about the switches, we've talked about the keycaps. I think it's time we go into the sound test. Alright guys, so that is all for the Varmilo keyboards that we have for today. We've unboxed them, we've talked about the switch, but this is just a quick overview. If you want to have the full review, you're gonna have to read the article, which is gonna be on theaxo.com really soon. This has been a long video. Thank you guys for sticking to the end. If you like this video, give us a like. If you don't like it, leave us a comment, tell us why, and we'll improve from there. My name is Terry. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all the next time.